Did you know that 3CX comes with a free native app for your Android phone? It allows you to take your Office extension with you wherever you go and is super easy to use. Here's a little taste of what you can do with the 3CX app for Android. Quick setup. Get the 3CX app from the Google Play Store and follow the steps in the First Time Wizard. Then, simply scan the QR code in your welcome email or 3CX web client and start calling. Set your status. Let your colleagues know when you are available by tapping on the status indicator to quickly set your status. You can also avoid getting notifications for calls and chats by disabling push notifications, valuable when you're using your own device as a work extension. Chat. Use chat to send messages and documents to colleagues while on the move. The built-in quick actions help you archive, delete, and tidy up your chat conversations. Voicemail. Check your voice messages and keep on top of things you missed while you were away. Easily manage your voicemail inbox and simply tap to play each message. Phone book. No more shuffling around between apps and separate address books. In Contacts, your colleagues' company address book and your own phone book entries are combined. It also provides quick actions to send a voicemail, email, or chat. Stay connected. Never give out your personal phone number again and stay connected with the Office no matter where you are. If you're moving around while on a call, the app reconnects your calls through available Wi-Fi or 4G networks. And remember, all your 3CX calls are secured with encryption. Download the Android app from the Google Play Store for free today, and don't forget to check out our user guide to find out more. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to get more updates from 3CX. Happy calling with your 3CX Android app.